Hello friends, myself Envy Lahamge, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, MVP Samaj, Nasik.
Topic of regular expression, that is nothing but equivalence of finite automata and regular expression. In the last few chapters, we had seen what are the finite automata, which are the requirement for which we are constructing the finite automata. And now, in this video, we will try to relate the regular expression with the finite automata. First of all, for constructing any regular expression, suppose it is a R, means it is denoted by the letter R. It is always, means there exists always a NFA with epsilon transitions that accepts this regular language. Means it is a regular expression and NFA epsilon is nothing but the finite automata used to represent this regular language. So, in short, constructing the finite automata is nothing but we are constructing the NFA epsilon for that regular expression. Now, in finding the equivalence of finite automata and regular expression, we have to convert these regular expressions into finite automata. Means, like DFA, NFA, means it is the NFA epsilon. So, how do we construct the regular expression into NFA epsilon? We will see by pictorial representations. Means we will understand here some different pictorial representation terms for which regular expression we have to draw which finite automata part. First of all, suppose R equals to epsilon. R is epsilon means there is empty string present. Then we can construct this regular expression like start and there is a final state, that is the Q0. Next, if we consider a phi means nothing. Epsilon is the empty string and R equals to phi is nothing but no any string present, means empty string is not present there. Then in such case, we can draw the finite automata like we will start with some string and with final transaction, we will not display the any connection between the start and end state. Next, if there is a single letter having a regular expression, means for example, R is symbol A and we know that the regular expression or regular language is nothing but a set containing A. So, how we draw it by the finite automata terms? Simply, we will take a start state and connect it to the end state by A. Next, we will take union of these regular expressions. That is, we will consider these steps like if R equals to R1 plus R2. In such case, we have to take, like we had represented A, means start with sum and connect with final state. Such case, we will display R1 and R2. But here it is a union. So we will display them in parallel mechanism. Means we will take here some state and connect it with the R1. We will take here another state and connect it to the are true, and there would be one starting and ending state, that is here, and we will connect these two states by the epsilon, and here also we will connect it with the epsilon to the final state. So epsilon is nothing but a connector, so we are calling it as a NFA with epsilon transitions. Now if we will take the concatenation of these two terms, means there is a such a like concatenation, then the notation would be like Q1, then R1, suppose Q2, then we will connect it to the next state by epsilon, means it is the concatenation, not a union. So we will take the next state, connect it to the R2, and it is the final state. So this is a diagrammatical representation for displaying the concatenation of a any string. Till now we had seen a empty string for single set, then concatenation and union. Now we will see what is the notation to represent the clean closure, means R1 star. Now in such case, there is two states which are connecting R1. Now what is the clean closure? In clean closure, we have to take a first state, last state, then connect this with epsilon, then again connect this first state with the final state with epsilon, and for the looping mechanism, we will make the epsilon here. So this is in short the notation to draw the clean closure. Now we will see the notation for positive closure. So here the term will be like plus. Now in this case, the mechanism will be same, but in positive closure, here it is nothing but the epsilon, means start with epsilon, and here it is a repetition. But we all know that the positive closure does not contain the epsilon, so it is the excluding epsilon. Means this is the notation to use for finite automata to draw the positive closure. So these are the some notation points or the small parts which we are going to connect into a larger part to solve any regular expression or a regular language.